Welcome, this is Airfryer Tuck, and today we will be making mini pigs in a blanket. We've had pigs in a blanket before, with a portion of hot dog in the center, but today we will be making them with little smokies. Now, little smokies are not small hot dogs. They are miniature, fully cooked, smoked, and seasoned sausages with a flavor all of their own. You may have heard of them as cocktail wieners, cocktail franks, or even some called baby wurst. You may have had them before, but usually they're served in a crock pot or slow cooker in barbecue sauce. Today we will be wrapping them in a pastry dough. The dough is usually the type used in crescent rolls. Now you won't need a lot of crescent rolls because usually the pastry comes in perforated triangles, and we will be cutting those triangles down even further into smaller pieces. Now there are many varieties of smokies, and this is the type of the package I will be using today. And this is the pastry that I will be using. I have found that the crescent roll pastry works best for both flavor and texture. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and open the crescent roll, get the little tab, pull on it, give this a little squeeze. And out it comes. Roll it out a little. Find the end. Get a couple of pieces. Take one triangle, spread it out a little, and slice it into 3 somewhat even pieces. Now, you can either take the smokies, start from the thin side, and start rolling them up. Or, if you would like to add a little more zest to it, make it a little different, add a little flavor. What I like to do is add some small slices of cheese. I'm going to start with a piece of provolone, piece of American cheese, and a piece of Swiss. And I do like to get the thinly sliced. Makes it a lot easier to roll and won't be as bulky. There are those who like to use mozzarella pearls. Now they are tricky to use because of their shape, but they are deliciously rewarding. Okay, what I'm going to do is give each one of them a little bit of the egg wash. Just kind of coat it on all sides. Just a little dab will do it. And now for the bagel seasoning. Today, I will be sprinkling the mini pigs in the blanket. It makes it look more appealing and gives the flavor a little pizzazz. Now this is optional, but if you decide to sprinkle the dough, you can use flax seeds or sunflower seeds or other varieties of such. My preference is everything bagel. It comes in different flavors like Asiago cheese and jalapeno flavored. Today, I will be using the original flavored. Go ahead and let them roll in that for what's underneath. Now we're going to place them carefully in the fryer. And I like to do my setting 320 for 8 minutes. This is the part where I remind you that all air fryers are different. Therefore, your settings might differ a little from mine, even for the same brand. Look how nice and golden brown they are. They just absolutely look delicious. If you like what you saw, you might have learned something, or even just had fun watching. Go ahead and give me a like. I sure would appreciate it. Also, subscribe so you may be notified of the future upcoming videos. Now, as far as those mini pigs in the blankets, let's see. Crunchy, fluffy, golden brown, and delicious. But then, everything from my kitchen is, oh, so heavenly.